Let me show you one. See, here he is.
You see this guy? You see this guy? Number one bullshit guy.
Number one bullshit guy. That was nice, bro.
Yeah. Alright, so I'll catch you guys.
Oh, you see this guy? See this guy? Number one bullshit guy. He do the wee woo wee. Oh, you see this guy? See this guy? Number one bullshit guy. He do the wee woo wee.
Yo, what's good? How many rounds did you just hit? What? Why is it always guys that look like that don't speak English? Like what's going on? Yo.
बहुत काला भाई तू तो
Huh?
बहुत काला है
Brida balaka sheste.
तू तो बहुत काला लग रहा है काला पसंद लाइक भैंस
Udah balaka
लाइक
sheste.
भैंस
Really, bro. I don't know what the fuck I was saying back then. Like, yo.
Fuck, they light up. That's sick.
What? Oh, nice.
Your
Oh,
headphones.
thanks. Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Oh, nice, cool. How old are you? Bro, what the hell, man? Ew, like, jeez. Is there nice girls in New Zealand?
Goats?
Girls, females, bro.
Oh, girls.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like every other country, right? You have your good ones and your bad ones.
Okay. That's the best answer I've heard in a long time. Like, that's the most honest answer. Like, most guys.
See, I can't speak for all girls, you know.
Exactly. Like,
I just give a generalization.
Most guys would just say, nah, we have bad girls here. But then, like, that can't be true, right? Like, you have to have 50-50. Like, there's nice ones and there's bad ones. They can't all be bad. But then, like,
yeah, exactly.
If you ask someone, they're like, nah, they're all bad. And then I'm like, what the hell, bro?
If I shave that beard, I'll look 16.
Nah, that's a lie. You're too big to look 16. Yeah.
If he will shave, he will look my left testicle.
What? Wow, okay.
He said that if I will shave, I will look like his testicle. But that's not true, bro. That's not scientifically true, right?
I mean, it's kind of true. It's kind of like if you remove your eyes.
Bro, you can't do this to me, bro.
No, I'm playing.
I thought you were on my team.
I'm playing. Yo.
Hi.
What's good?
Mm.
Hold on, let me see your face real quick. The guy in the middle, what's your name?
Mehul.
Oh, that's his name. Alright, can you speak?
Yeah.
Of course.
Alright, bro, so like, you're in the middle of two girls, right?
Yeah.
Which one is yours?
No one. Actually, we are cousins.
Oh, your cousins. Oh, okay. So like, you wouldn't mind if I just came to your house, right?
Yes.
What? Wait, how old are you guys?
16.
All of you?
Yes.
Oh shit, you're underage, bro. I would get arrested if I was seen talking to you guys. I have to go like right now. Man said you'll be under arrest. Man said you'll be arrested, but like, I'm 17. Oh, swear, like for real?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Where are you from,
What? Wait, hold on. What? What just happened?
What do you mean?
Like, I just heard a manly voice come from your mouth, bro.
I don't know what you mean, fam.
Oh, shit, man. Damn. What's going on? Are you using a voice changer?
Nah, it's all real.
Wow. Hold on. Can she do it as well?
Nah, she can't.
No.
She can. Oh, all right. So like, what's your snaps? What's your guys' snaps? Wait, how old are you?
16, 15.
Oh, cool. What's your snap?
How old are you?
I'm 17.
Oh, all right.
Okay, I'll give you our snap.
Gotcha, bitch.
Lady, hear me tonight, 'cause my feeling.
You wanna see me dance?
Go ahead, buddy.
Alright, bro. I got you. Videos, it make me so fucking horny.
Mr. Should I call you Mr? Pepe Julian Onzima. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you for
Good
having
morning.
me. Morning to you.
Why are you gay?